Klaviyo email marketing for Shopify. Did you know email marketing drives 30% of total revenue for top Shopify stores? Hi there, welcome to Klaviyo email marketing for Shopify, your ultimate guide to turning subscribers into loyal customers. Let's unlock the power of Klaviyo together. First, why Klaviyo? Unlike generic tools, Klaviyo is built for e-commerce and integrates seamlessly with Shopify, turning customers' data like purchase, browsing history, and cart activity into hyper-targeted campaigns. Imagine sending emails that feel personal, not robotic. That's Klaviyo's magic, boosting sales, retention, and lifetime value. Ready to dive in? Start by installing Klaviyo from the Shopify App Store. Link your store in minutes since your customer that you are ready to grow your list. Pro tip, use Klaviyo's pop-ups or exit intent forms to capture emails. Offer a 10% discount upfront. It's proven to skyrocket signups. Just ensure your discount code works instantly on the confirmation page to avoid frustration. Segmentation. Don't blast everyone the same email. Klaviyo thrives on segmentation. Group customers by behavior, target cart abandoners, reward repeat buyers, or re-engage inactive users. For example, if someone borrows winter coats but doesn't buy, send them a tailored email with those items. Segmentation makes your message irresistible, leading to higher opens, clicks, and sales. Automation is Klaviyo's superpower. Set up the three essential flows. 1. Welcomes yours. New subscriber, send a warm hello with your brand story and a discount. 2. Abandoned cart. Remind shoppers about their left behind items. 60% of carts are abandoned. Add urgency. Your site is selling fast. 3. Post purchase. Say thanks with a review request or upsell complimentary products. Those flows run 24/7, saving you time while boosting revenue. Design that converts. Your emails need to pop. Use Klaviyo's drag and drop editor to craft stunning emails. Embed dynamic elements like product recommendations or countdown timers. Keep copy friendly and benefit focused. For inspiration, check sites like reallygoodemails.com. And always test mobile layouts. Most email are opened on phones. A/B test to optimize. Never stop improving. Run A/B test on subject lines, CTS, or send times. Does last chance outperform final hours? Let data decide. Klaviyo's analytics track opens, clicks, and revenue, so you'll know exactly what's working. Beyond email, SMS, and more. Expand your reach with Klaviyo's SMS marketing. Send flash sale alerts or shopping updates. Just keep text short and action focused. Combine SMS with email for a one-two punch that drives urgency. Remember, great email marketing is not spam, it's value. Educate, entertain, and solve problems. Start with Klaviyo's basics, then scale into advanced flows. Ready to see 23% of your revenue come from email? Install Klaviyo today and watch your Shopify store soar. Thanks for listening. And if you need an in-depth review on how to use Klaviyo email marketing, check out our next video. Now go make magic happen. Subscribe for more tips.